Have you ever wondered how complete beginners are building $10,000 apps without writing a single line of code? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I cloned an app that's generating serious revenue and I didn't even write a single line of code to it. Most people think that you need years of programming experience or a computer science degree to build apps, but that's completely wrong. I'm going to reveal the exact AI tool and step-by-step process that I used to build a successful $10,000 app and add premium features with Stripe integration. This doesn't sound theoretical tutorial, this is the real behind-the-scenes breakdown of how I built an actual revenue-generating app using nothing but AI and no-code tools. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact tool that I used, the complete process from start to finish, and how you can start building your own profitable app today. And the best part, if you can point and click, you can do this. I'm about to show you that the most app developers don't want you to know that AI has completely changed the game and anyone can now build professional apps without touching a single line of code. The AI tool that we are going to use is Replit. With my code Cindy, you'll get a 10,000% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link down below in the description. Okay, important disclaimer. Building apps and making money online isn't easy despite what other YouTubers are saying. When I show you how to build an app, I'm demonstrating the technical process and the potential, but not guaranteeing your results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but success depends on so many things like your execution, timing, and honestly some luck. Most apps don't make money immediately, and many don't make money at all. This isn't financial advice or get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools, but what you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set, let's start building the app. Starting off, we are going to initialize the Crystal Identification and Wellness app with a clean, peaceful design and all the core functionality laid out from the beginning. This includes Crystal photo recognition powered by the Gemini API, access to Crystal properties, chakra education, guided meditation, a collection manager, and Stripe for premium access. Everything will be set to be mobile-friendly right out of the gate, so the layout should adapt well even before we fine-tune any visual styling. To get things moving, let's tell Replit. Create a full-featured Crystal Identification and Wellness app with a clean, modern UI. The app should include photo-based crystal recognition using Gemini API, a crystal information system, guided meditation sessions, chakra education, a personal crystal collection manager, and Stripe-based premium access. The overall feel should be peaceful and mobile-friendly. Replit starts building the entire app shell, setting up the structure, main tabs, and a default color scheme to match the peaceful tone. At this point, the layout is in place and keys areas like photo recognition, information lookup, and meditation are initialized as separate views. Everything loads into a responsive framework, so it's functional across devices. Now, if something feels off, say the photo upload throws an error or a few UI elements are legible, you can step in immediately. Here's how we'll handle those issues. For technical bugs like image upload failures, let's just say, we got an error when uploading an image, or some text on the app is not properly visible. And if the text blends into the background or feels too faint to read, especially on smaller captions or titles like call to action, under photo features, or the app's main header, we'll want to shift the app's visual theme entirely. Instead of adjusting each element manually, let's go ahead and prompt redesign the color scheme of the app. Most text is not clearly visible. Go for a dark theme. This will switch the interface to something easier on the eyes and helps make subtle UI elements stand out without compromising the app's aesthetic. Now that the dark theme is in place and basic structure is ready, we'll move forward and begin fine-tuning the core features next. Now that the app has its basic structure, it's time to bring the main feature to life. Crystal Identification. This is what defines the Healing Pal experience. The moment a user uploads or captures a photo, the app should do more than just identify the crystal. It needs to offer real guidance, making the interaction feel purposeful and informative right away. Here's what I'm going to prompt Replit with. On the result page, that should include a description, usage tips, chakra alignment, and healing potential as well. Once this is submitted, Replit updates the results screen to do more than just show the crystal name or image. The goal here is depth. The result page now becomes a guided experience that introduces users to the properties of the identified crystal in a calm, informative way. There is a written description that explains the crystal's origins or defining traits, followed by practical usage tips that suggest how it can be used for wellness or meditation. Each crystal also comes with a chakra alignment info indicating which energy center it supports and notes on its healing potential. This way, the result page does not just confirm what a crystal is, it gives a user a meaningful way to work with it. From here, we'll keep layering in other wellness tools like guided meditation and chakra education to build out the full healing experience. After the crystal is identified, the experience shouldn't stop there. Users will naturally want to dive deeper, understanding not just what their crystal is, but how it works, how to use it, and how to spot the real thing. That's why we need to add a proper crystal information system. This part of the app should feel like a trusted reference guide, always ready with an accurate and detailed insight. Let's have Replit handle it with this. Build a structured crystal info system that supports displaying detailed information about each crystal, including chakra connections, healing properties, how to use them, and how to distinguish real from fake. Make sure the data is connected to the result page from the photo ID system. The app generates a structured backend, either using JSON or a database like Supabase, to store detailed information for each crystal. The key here is making sure that the photo recognition tool does not just return a name, but actively pulls the correct metadata to match. This way, when a user scans something like rose quartz, the app automatically displays all its spiritual associations, usage instructions, healing notes, and even how to spot imitations. All of this is now connected directly to the result page. The system recognizes the crystal and instantly pulls in a full profile for live display, keeping everything seamless and real time. The app is starting to feel more complete, educational, interactive, and helpful right where it matters. After learning about a crystal's meaning and use, I want to give users a way to apply that energy in practice. That's where the meditation section becomes essential. Instead of just offering passive information, the app now becomes a space for calming, guided experiences that help users center themselves and deepen their connection with specific crystals. Let's ask Replit to do this. Improve the meditation section, offering calming sessions with themes like sleep, anxiety relief, energy alignment, and focus. Each meditation should suggest crystals that enhance the experience. Users should be able to play short guided sessions directly in app. Add to the navigation bar. With this prompt, the app now features a dedicated meditation tab added to the navigation bar. Inside, users will see a clean, peaceful interface that invites them to choose from different guided sessions. Playbook controls are simplified to keep the experience relaxing and distraction-free. Each meditation also includes a visual crystal suggestions, so users know which stones to hold or keep nearby while listening. Now, if the navigation bar disappears or behaves inconsistently on certain pages like meditation or collection, we can fix that by prompting something like, the navigation bar on the meditation and collection pages have absolute position and is not persistent on the bottom. This correction makes sure that the navigation bar stays pinned right where it should be, offering a smooth, stable experience as users move between features. To make the app feel truly personal, there needs to be a space where users can track the crystals that they've discovered or plan to work in the future with. The My Crystals page is designed exactly for that, a place where the journey becomes visual, organized, and user-specific. Whether someone is building a full collection or just getting started, this page makes it easy to stay connected with the crystals that matter most to them. We'll move forward by telling Replit this. Focus on the My Crystal page where users can save crystals they've identified or wish to own. Include a way to mark crystals as owned or in a wish list. Users should also be able to browse their saved crystals and see details anytime. So, we now have a dedicated My Crystal section with a clean card style layout. Each saved item shows a small thumbnail of the crystal, its name, and its associated chakra, giving users at a glance view of what their personal collection looks like. There is also a toggle option that lets users mark a crystal as either owned or wish list, depending on their current relationship with it. All of this data is now stored per user account using Supabase, so it stays synced and consistent across sessions. Anytime a user returns to the app, they'll see their full list just as they left it, with the ability to tap into any card for full crystal details. Now, if you want to round out the app's experience, there needs to be a space for a deeper learning. A place users can turn to when they are curious or just want to know or explore more about crystal healing on their own terms. I'm thinking of adding a Learn tab. Here's what we'll tell Replit. Design a Learn section that provides curated educational content about crystal healing, chakra theory, and how to start a healing journey. Articles and videos should update dynamically and be organized by crystal or topic, app to navigation. With this prompt, the app adds a new Learn tab to the navigation bar, sitting alongside the other core pages. Both written articles and embedded YouTube videos are supported, so users can learn however they prefer. The backend setup allows this content to be stored in Markdown or JSON and dynamically rendered based on tags or categories. You can also connect this to Supabase or use a CMS-style backend, so content can be updated anytime, no redeploying needed. Now, if the navigation bar shows inconsistencies like the Learn or Meditation tabs disappearing or not loading properly, we'll fix that by saying this. The Meditation and Learn pages are separate, both should be on the navigation bar. Do not remove any pages from the navigation bar. Also, resolve the errors. That prompt ensures the navigation bar is fully stable across the app with every section accessible and no features accidentally removed during the feature update. Now that the app is packed with features, it's time to layer in monetization. I want Healing Pal to follow a freemium model, so the goal here is to set up a smooth, non-intrusive Stripe integration that gives users the option to unlock the full experience while keeping the core tools freely accessible. We'll guide Replit with this prompt. Set up Stripe integration to support a yearly premium subscription. Free users get access to basic features while premium users unlock unlimited identifications, full meditation sessions, exclusive articles, and wish listing. Use test credentials to simulate checkout flow and confirm feature access changes after payment. Alright, the Stripe products need to be properly configured inside the Stripe dashboard with the right pricing and billing setup. The checkout page now appears when a user selects the upgrade option, and Stripe's test card credentials are also used to simulate the payment flow. After completing the simulated transaction, previous features should automatically unlock, giving access to full meditations, unlimited identifications, exclusive content, and the wishlist tool. To make sure everything connects smoothly, this also includes webhook logic that checks payment status and updates the user subscription tier. If anything breaks during this process, whether it's a pricing mismatch or the subscription page fails to load, use these follow-up prompts to resolve it. There is a problem with the subscription. Still an error, bypass this or change the price to match the price ID. Or we still get an error, unable to load subscription. Please try again when going to subscribe page. These will help Replit troubleshoot issues like broken connections to the Stripe product or pricing ID mismatches or webhook failures. After resolving those, the freemium structure is fully in place, giving the app a smooth upgrade path without disrupting the experience for free users. So you've seen exactly how a full-featured revenue-generating app comes together without writing a single line of code. From image recognition to guided meditations, user accounts, educational content, and even Stripe-powered monetization, every part of it was built within AI, no coding tools. Remember how we started? Most people still think that you need to be a developer or spend months learning to code just to launch something like this. But as you've just seen, tools like Replit completely flip the idea on its head. If you can write a prompt, you can build an app. If you're ready to start building your own $10,000 app, whether it's a wellness tool, a niche utility, or something totally different, now's the time to do it. Use my code Cindy for 10% off on Replit Pro and unlock full access to the Replit AI agent. The link is down below in the description. See you in the next one!